Embark on a journey of versatile outdoor cooking with the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill, a sleek black companion for your adventures. This grill, crafted by the renowned brand Weber, boasts a powerful 13,000 BTU burner that ensures rapid heating, precise temperature control, and overall cooking flexibility. The heart of this grill is an enameled, cast-iron cooking grate. Designed for superior heat retention, flavor infusion, and an attractive appearance, it's perfect for those who value quality in their outdoor culinary experiences. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting out, the push-button ignition system offers user-friendly operation, making this portable propane grill accessible to all. One of the standout features is its compact design. The Weber Traveler folds up neatly, allowing it to fit easily in your car trunk or storage. Its portability means you can take it wherever your travels lead. With a large grilling area, you can prepare an entire meal at once, optimizing gas usage and saving time. The Weber Traveler accommodates both disposable 16.4 ounces LP cylinders sold separately for convenience on the go, and full-size 20 pounds fuel tanks when using an adapter hose. This versatility ensures you're always ready to grill, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply hosting a backyard barbecue. Real users have shared their experiences, praising the Weber Traveler for its high quality, durability, and exceptional performance. One user noted that after over a year of use, the grill hasn't rusted at all. Another was impressed with its ability to cook evenly and efficiently, even on medium-high heat for extended periods. To get the most out of your Weber Traveler, consider purchasing additional accessories such as a griddle that can be used on one side while leaving the grate on the other. Always ensure you follow safety guidelines when using propane, and remember to securely install the fuel canister to prevent accidents. In conclusion, the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile, and portable grilling solution. Whether you're a seasoned griller or new to the game, this grill may help elevate your outdoor cooking experiences. So, pack up your gear, grab your Weber Traveler, and get ready to savor the flavors of adventure.